Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is NdiNaija. Hope everyone's doing well. And it is time to decorate for the week of August the 12th through August 18th. And I will be following Tamara, the Paper and Pen Girl's non-mambi-sticker challenge for this week. Since it's back to school week for my kid, I intend to use this leftover kit from Planner Kate Kit 82D. It's got full boxes and a weekend banner and so much good stuff. And I have a couple of extras, and the extras will really come in handy right now because, like I said, this was one kit and I'm getting to use it twice. So that's good. And I think I will speed the rest of this up while I do my thing. All right. So I'm laying down the washi for the date or header covers. I like this red. I wonder if I should get another one. Well, anywho, I like red. And it's back to school week. Oh, back to school week. Anyway, I'm just putting down the numbers. We're going from the 12th to the 18th. I had a little bit of trouble choosing what header to use for the side, that side box where I usually put my dolls. But I finally made a decision. And now I'm just looking to see how I want to decorate for my morning routine and the washi to indicate drop off and pick up, because those are two things I'm going to be doing that will be new. Well, new, you know, for this period of time. Anyway, I put that washi down, and then I moved it over to the other side because Thursday and Friday is just 2 days, and I put a longer one on the Monday to Wednesday. I think I need more of these washi strips and the date headers for my kits instead of the full boxes. We'll see. I was able to make the Thursday and Friday work with that same piece of washi, even though it's... Okay, I have the basic washi and washi situations down for this spread. And because it's the first day of school, oh my goodness. Yo, I don't know that I'm taking this well. I don't know. I just do not know if I'm taking this well enough. So it's the first day of school, and this is drop off and pick up. I'm putting a school bus here because, I mean, I will essentially be I cracked myself up. Anyway, so that's just to indicate the school run in the daytime and the evening time. I'm going to put this here. And I have to start putting up my appointments and cars. And this is the kid's 5th birthday. We're having a birthday. He's also 5. Oh my goodness. There's so much. There's just so much for me. So day 1 of kindergarten is here. What else do we have to do? We have meetings here, here, and here, and here, and here. That's to indicate that he is out until Sunday. He's out from Friday till Sunday, and he shall come back, and it shall be a jolly old celebration with cake and ice cream and all sorts of things. So that will be there to indicate his birthday. Yes, I love it. So next set of things is appointments. Monday, I'm going to put my 4 o'clock appointment here because it's very likely that I will be in the pickup line while that's going on. Next one is Wednesday. Do I want to put a little strip of washi to show the length? Nah, that's fine. Wednesday at 11 a.m. Oh, I will have another one on Wednesday at 2. So let's put that. Next one, Thursday at 2 o'clock. I'm putting it over the 1 and 2 because, you know, one has to start driving at 1:30. And Friday at the same time. Do we want to use something else? I should have an extra somewhere. Nah. Oh, here it goes. This one is a long one. Yeah, it'll fit right over here. That's short. I don't want this scallop here. What am I doing? You guys, I don't know what it is sometimes about decorating a spread that just gets me so ugh. I guess it doesn't matter. There are a lot of new things happening this week. Well, last week, this week, next week. A lot of things happening. I'm setting out new routines for us, starting with me, and I'm curious to see how all that will work. I'm very, very curious to see how all that will work. Oh. This was supposed to be right here. Oh, nope. That's this one. And this is the 11 o'clock. Okay. Appointments are set except for my weekend appointments, which include but are not limited to. So we have church on Sunday. I'm going to put that right here. And then I think I should be able to make my Saturday morning live. I have not had that for a while because, whew, man, life. It's been busy. It has been busy. Now, all the appointments are down. School run is down. It's time to put some words down. Kid has a dentist appointment on Thursday. I'm going to put it right on top of here because that's when the appointment is. No haircuts. We're driving on this day. And who else do I have to email? No one. So that's that. This is planner time, so we're going to have planner time going here. Me time. Will I have time for me time? I'm not sure. That'll be a Saturday thing. That will be a Saturday thing. I don't think I want to use this. So let's see. I'm not exactly sure where the camera cut off, but we shall proceed, shan't we?
Yes, we shall. Yes, we shall.
I am looking for... Aha. Oh dear. I apologize. It appears the folks to do the grass have arrived. I'm gonna now have to put this on silent, I think. Yeah. Okay, I've silenced that, and I'm now putting down my AM and PM routines. Well, I started with putting this washi. I wish I had more of that particular washi. I love the stars. And it looks very much like this Erin Condren cover, which I can't show you right now. Yeah. But I eventually changed my mind and took those out and just used the PM routines. I could have used the washi and put just one PM routine checkbox and, you know, use the washi to represent that this was going to get done for all 5 days. But I decided against it and just felt like I should put down the stickers for the individual days. Now, I'm putting these down just until I get used to the routine. Friday should not be there because I don't do the regular PM routine on Fridays. I also did not put the same, I didn't repeat the same process for the AM routines as well, but we have washi. I figured it would work. I didn't want to clutter up the spread because this is busy enough for me. Yes, it is quite busy for me, especially with the colors being nice and dark and rainbowy. But yeah, the final spread will be a smidge different from what you see here finally, but it's not going to be too different. I have a couple of builder stickers to put down, but basically this is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and hope you do subscribe. Oh, and lest I forget, this kit is kit 82D from Planner Kate, along with some doodle stickers from her also. Bye-bye.